Welcome to JK Max. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step through the Vivo Y15s display replacement process. If your Vivo Y15s screen is cracked, not responding to touch, or has gone completely black, this video is for you. Let's get started. Power off the phone completely. Next, remove the SIM tray using a SIM ejector pin. This is very important to avoid damaging the SIM or tray during the back cover removal process. Now, let's open the back panel. Use a plastic prying tool or a guitar pick to gently separate the back cover. Start from the edge and slowly move around the corners. Take your time, do not rush. Now that the back is off, you'll see a plastic mid-frame covering the motherboard and battery. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws holding the mid-frame. There may be up to screws, so keep them safe and organized. Gently lift the mid-frame using a prying tool. Be careful not to damage the internal parts. Always disconnect the battery first to prevent short circuits. Use a plastic tool to disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Disconnect the fingerprint cable from the motherboard. Now, locate the display connector. Usually it's marked and located near the bottom or center of the motherboard. Disconnect the display flex cable from the board. The Vivo Y15s battery is usually fixed with strong adhesive underneath. Look for the pull tab or black strip at the bottom of the battery. If it's available, pull it slowly and evenly to loosen the glue. If there's no pull tab, or the adhesive is too strong, apply a bit of heat on the back side of the phone using a heat gun or hair dryer for about 30 seconds. This softens the glue. Now use a plastic pry tool, not metal, to lift the battery slowly from one side. Now we move on to removing the broken display. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges of the front screen. This softens the adhesive and makes it easier to remove the glass. After heating, use a thin prying tool or plastic card to lift the old display. Start from a corner and slowly work your way around. If the screen is cracked, you may need to use tape to hold the glass together or wear gloves for protection. Once lifted, disconnect any remaining display flex cables and remove the old screen completely. Clean the frame to remove any leftover glue or debris using isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Now apply B7000 or T7000 glue along the edges of the phone frame. Carefully place the new screen and align it properly. Press gently around the edges so it sticks evenly. You can use clips or rubber bands to hold the screen in place for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the screen is secure, begin reassembling the phone. Reconnect the display flex cable and battery. Place the plastic mid-frame back and screw in all the screws you removed earlier. Now, reconnect the fingerprint sensor flex to the motherboard. Carefully snap the back cover back into place starting from the edges. Insert the SIM tray back into the slot. Power on the phone and wait for it to boot. Now test the new screen. Check the display brightness, touch sensitivity, color accuracy, and response time. Open different apps and make sure everything is working normally. If the touch is not working or there's a dead area, double-check the connector. Also test the fingerprint sensor and make sure the back cover is firmly in place. That's it. You've successfully replaced the display of your Vivo Y15s. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JK Max Smartphone Solutions for more mobile repair tutorials. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.